to another episode of 7-Figure Product Series, exclusive here on YouTube, where we dive deep and go behind the scenes, uncovering some of the top brands in the world that are absolutely crushing it on Amazon. Today, this small product is packing a huge profit. And before I dive into exactly what product this is, let's go ahead and dive into my computer, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to find products like this. And we're gonna actually review the numbers, because some sellers are generating 6 figures per month with this very one product. And that's why at the AMZ formula, we say you're only one product away. All right, guys, so the product is Tongue Scraper. Now, you may or may have not known that this product existed. Hopefully you do, because if not, chances are you have bad breath. But all jokes aside, the average for the search term is around 29,000 per month. So mid 6 figures per year, but there are definitely some heavy hitters doing 6 figures, which we will see here shortly. Top 10 keywords range between 20,000 all the way up to 390,000 searches for the main search term Tongue Scraper. Now, search volume, you can see, is actually increased at the end of 2023, which is crazy. I'm not sure why, but it's been pretty horizontal throughout the years. Now, this is something that you want to look at when you're launching a product or developing a product, because you want to see, has there been demand for this product, and is there going to continue to be demand? See, one of the things that we look for is, has the product been selling and been searched? Is it selling and being searched? And will it continue to sell and be searched? Scrolling right along, you can see the research strategy. You can see the average monthly units sold are around $3,000. The average price point around $8. Now, when it comes to the actual brand basic concepts, this heavy hitter is doing $417,000 in monthly revenue across the Tongue Scraper. Reviews are 90,000. Rank is #1 for that search term, and the selling price is $12. And this product weight coming in at less than 1/4 of a pound. So cheap to manufacture, cheap to ship, cheap in terms of logistics, and huge profits. Now, moving right along, you can see the related links. By the way, guys, if you want access to these reports for this product, as well as all of the other 7-Figure Product Series, all you have to do is go to www.7figureproductseries.com, and we will give you all of the reports absolutely free, so you can learn how to find products like this, and you can use this as a guide when starting or growing your own business and developing or scaling your brand. All right, so now we're on the actual Amazon listing itself, and there's a few things that I want you to take note of. First and foremost, price. We always talk about price, guys. You never want to end your product pricing in 9. Always end it in something random. Just trust me, it works. Now, if we're looking at the pictures are high quality. And let me tell you, professional, non-Photoshop pictures do make a big difference. Here you can see the befores and afters, the ours versus theirs, the lifestyle images, the benefits, the features, all the stuff that we talk about here on the channel and in depth in the AMZ formula, as well as the video. Now, again, in order to access videos and enhanced brand content like additional images, which you will see down below, which is called A+ content, all you have to do is be brand registered. In order to join brand registry, which I definitely recommend, you have to have your brand trademarked or go with an Amazon preferred or partner lawyer or law firm where you can actually start the process and get proved right away. It's definitely worth the money to protect yourself, protect your business, and unlock all these powerful tools which definitely increase conversion. Now, coming down, you can learn a lot, because this is a several $million-a year product. They're ordering tens of thousands of these. They're having tens of thousands of clients. So best believe that they are constantly optimizing and refining all the content on this page. And I will have to say, this is one of the best A+ contents that I've seen in a while, because it covers everything from cross promotion of different products, for the pain statements. One of their products equal 5,000 other products, and you should buy their product because it's eliminating other products, which helps the world or helps the earth. Like, there's tons of psychology going on here and a lot of stuff easy to take care of before and after. All of these are emotional aspects and psychological aspects that are going to increase the conversion. So you have to understand that emotion causes motion. Whenever you're working on copy or pictures or A+ content, think about ways that you can create emotion or spark emotion and really make your product stick out from others. We went through the listing, we went through the numbers, and we've definitely learned some tips that this 8-figure seller is utilizing with this multi-million-dollar listing. Now let's go ahead and dive into the packaging and see exactly what's going on. So right off the bat, standard corrugated. The crush factor is not there at all. You can see I can demolish this with ease. So again, guys, you know I'm a stippler for crush factor, but clearly this brand's crushing it. So it's not that big of a deal. I want you to notice that the packaging is clean and simple. Too many people spend too much time on packaging. Packaging is important, but nothing is more important than getting your product to the marketplace as fast as possible. Success truly does love speed when it comes to launching and growing your business. Right off the bat, nothing inside, and you have the actual tongue scraper. Now, what I do like is the tongue scraper comes inside of a travel case. You open it up, the tongue scraper is inside of a bag, and there you have it. Just a stainless steel, simple design, simple packaging, nothing fancy, yet a huge payday. Now, this store and this seller, this brand has tons of SKUs, but even if it just had this one SKU doing $400,000 a month at around 30% profit margin, that's $120,000 profit per month, around 1.2 to 1.3 million net profit per year. This business could probably sell between 1 to 3 million, but you know they have many, many more SKUs, so it's definitely an 8-figure, possibly 9-figure brand. And what I want you guys to understand is that you are generally one product away. Utilizing what we have access to right now, being the internet and Alibaba and Amazon, we can literally start brands that can compete with huge brands being a nobody. I've never heard of this brand before. Chances are you may not even see this brand in Walmart, yet they're generating 8 figures, high 8 figures online on Amazon. So guys, there's never been a time like now. The best time to start was back in the day. The next best time to start is right now. So if you're interested in getting started with your own brand, in your own online business, or growing and scaling your current one, click the link down below or go to www.onlyOneProductAway. I'd love to chat with you and see how we can help you crush it. Remember, you're only one product away. In just a second, there'll be more videos popping up above that can definitely help you increase your income, your impact, and influence. I'll see you in the next one.